my name is Connie Ann Roussel. I'm in charge of literacy and innovation at Randolph Elementary School, which is on Randolph Air Force Base outside of San Antonio, Texas. I have been a teacher since 2008 and just recently became a STEM teacher 4 years ago. My husband was in the Army, so I taught in New York, Germany, and Texas. And I also am a STEM curriculum developer with Carly and Adam STEM Teacher Club. So while traditional straws are inexpensive and easy to get, I struggle with the idea that we're trying to grow our next level of future engineers and we're being wasteful. So if anyone has ever put tape onto straws, it is almost impossible to take that apart. So I struggle with the fact that we're being wasteful while we're trying to teach our students something. So I think Strawbees are a great way of filling that need with a reusable material. So I like to do more of a guided process when we're starting with Strawbees. So first I want to let them explore, just test them out. I always make sure that I show them how to pinch the end of the straw when they're putting the connector in and then when they're removing it too to help continue the life of the Strawbees. After having some time to explore, then I'll take them through one of the great materials that are on the Strawbees website where they're guided through a project. And then after that, they can explore and modify any way that they would like. Lastly, we also have a makerspace. So we always keep a couple sets of Strawbees in our makerspace for the students to explore and use on their own. So as part of our program here at Randolph, our program's called the Imaginarium, and they get to come to us twice a week. So 2 days they're with me in the STEM lab, which is more of a guided STEM challenge. 2 days they're out in our makerspace. There they'll have 1 day STEM challenge and 1 day, which is completely free exploration for them. So I have a couple sets of Strawbees set up in tubs in our makerspace, and the kids can get those, bring them to a table, and then they have the free choice to build whatever they like, whether it be geometric shapes, which are usually a go-to for them, or towers or other structures. They get to use them and be creative with them on their own. Each year I try with my older students, my fifth graders, to give them some lessons that will really get them thinking about the world outside of where they are here. So I like to do the story, The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind, and show them how children that are just a little older than them are able to make a difference in the world already. So we read that story and then we wanted to explore with windmills. And I found an excellent windmill guide on the Strawbees website. So the students followed the guide to create their windmill. They added some tape and paper to it to create the blades of it and tested it out. And I think it was amazing to see the students get excited when they saw that it was actually working. And then I gave them time afterwards to look at what was made and think of ways that they could modify it to make it a different creation of their own, but still being a windmill. I think a struggle as an educator is always money and where our money is coming from. So I really say that Strawbees, while it is a upfront cost, it definitely saves you in the long run. I've had it for 4 years. I've had the classroom set and all the supplies are still in great condition. If it's something that you do not have the budget for yourself, look online for grants, talk to your parent-teacher organization, or start just building your collection bit by bit. Maybe if you don't have the funds for a whole classroom set, start by buying smaller sets and you can grow your collection as the time goes on.